Come test drive the 2023 Rio 5-Door. The Kia Rio 5-Door vehicle is a compact hatchback with a newly designed and improved interior. The Rio 5-Door also comes with an improved technology package that features its tablet-like touchscreen. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, front-wheel drive, tires front all season, tires rear all season, traction control, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.